Good morning, Ira Epstein, and here we are back after Labor Day. It is the 5th of September, 2023, and the time 8:25 a.m. Central Time. And we have been everywhere in some of these markets. If you take a look at, you were down in the Dow to 34,756. You're up 150 points off the low, 17 off the low here, roughly 50 points off the low in the NASDAQ, and about 9 in the Russell. So you were down a lot more, came back. Even the silver market was down. It's up 30 cents off its lows. The dollar is the strong culprit right here. Most of the currencies are down against it. Bonds and notes continue to add higher yield, and that is the thing that is flying in the face of traders scratching their head asking what's going on. You should ask yourself, what just happened? And I use the word what just happened, not loosely. To put up $2 in the Brent, crude up $2. Remember, I was calling for this in this report to go to at least 90. We're there, and I think 95, 100 is very much in the cards. Why? Because we just got word out of OPEC that both Saudi Arabia and Russia have agreed to extend the cuts that they've got in place right now up until December. So they're carrying it right on through, going to give you a tight market. It picks everything up, as you can see, right through here and carries things a heck of a lot higher. All right, so when I take a look at the markets, the one thing I realize is when you come back from a holiday, and that's where we're at right now, first day back, volume's often a little bit lighter, traders still, some of people taking off the rest of the week, others are working their way back into the market. Work your way in. This is not a market where you want to be a hero. This whole week is going to be more or less hit and run. And one of the tools I use when I see that is pivot points. Why? Because they're built for this type of environment. A pivot point looks at the previous day's range, creates a center line called the pivot, and then 2 sells above the market, 2 buys below the market. You probably have this in your charting software and never knew how to work it. When you plot it, you can set the colors. I like to set mine just like this. And the sell zones, the buy zones, and you're looking to get back to the neutral. You're not trying to come in from here all the way up there. It's a day trade tool. It is not a position trading tool. It's also a tool that can help you pinpoint entry points for a longer term. But to make this the way that you would look and say, oh, I'm going to catch a trend trade off of it, that's not it. If you'd like to learn about it the way that I teach it, it's a 3-part free series for you. It's a video series. You can either call my staff, you can go to our website, iraepstein.com, or you can click up, move your cursor right to the top here, free offers, give that a click. When you're in there, look for the Pivot Point series and choose whatever else you'd like at the same time and get yourself going for this September. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Trade well.